Hey guys, I'm back with another video for you today. We'll be creating this look, matte skin, and a simple holiday eye. So continue watching if you want to see how I got this look. So I'm going to start off by putting my hair back. I did already do my eyebrows, so I do have a tutorial on that. So you can always go watch that. I'll link it in the section below. Today, by using this palette from Jeffree Star. I've never used it before. So it'll be my first time. I think I'm going to do a completely matte look on my eyes. That is the plan so far. So let's see. So I'm going to do nothing too crazy on the eyes. I'm just going to put in a brown in the crease and then something matte on the lid, the lighter shade. So I'm going to go with Invitation Only, this one right here. Just a little bit, so I don't know how it's going to be. That's really pigmented. That looks good. Not too much, because I really want the eyeliner to be the focus. So I started my YouTube channel and then I just went MIA. I've been feeling so unmotivated. I know everybody's kind of on the same page right now with the pandemic and all the new lockdowns. But I'm going to do my best to film again, film some more, to put out some positive content. And honestly, doing my makeup always makes me feel better. On Instagram, I have been doing some lives to kind of interact with you guys and talk and see what you guys want to see. You can always comment below and let me know what you guys want to see, or DM me on Instagram. And I'm going to take that same color, so Invitation Only. I'm just going to put that on the outer V. I'm also testing out different settings on my camera and my cameras that I have, trying to figure out the best lighting. So let me know how you guys like this one. I'm trying my best to figure out this camera situation out. It's hard. I feel like there's so many settings and it's so confusing. I will take I'm Shy. It's the lightest shade out of the palette. Just underneath my brow bone. I don't usually do a lot of matte looks on myself, but I'm excited for this one. So I'm just going to take a brush like this. This is the Morphe 156. And I'm going to take Silk Robe, this color right there. I'm just going to pat this onto my lid. I'm going to go back to the first brush I used without putting any product on it. I'm just going to blend this out, sorry. Just very lightly. So how's everybody been doing? What are you guys doing to stay busy? What are your plans for the holidays? The holidays are so different this year. Honestly, this year we're just spending it as a family. Kat Von D tattoo liner, that's what I'm going to use. And I'm just going to do this off camera because there's no way I'll be able to do this on camera. So that's the liner. Now I'm going to go work on the rest of my face, then I'm going to come back to the eyes. So to prime my face, I will be using the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer. This is like a putty, it's really thick. So if you have really dry skin, I wouldn't recommend it. I'm just going to use this much, not too much at all. And use the warmth of your fingers to just blend it in. But this gets rid of all your pores, it's so good. You'll see once I put the foundation on. For color correcting, my hair looks so funny. I'm going to be using the Vasanti VO2 as per usual. So a good trick with color correcting is once you put the color corrector on, make sure you let it sit there for a little bit before you do blend it out, and you'll notice you get way more color payoff. So what have you guys been up to? I haven't done much in the last weekish. I've just been cleaning, honestly reading a lot, journaling a lot, but I've come to the conclusion I kind of just need to get back into filming and posting looks and stuff because it does make me happy and I have nothing else to really do. So it's the best time to get some content out. And you guys are so supportive. It makes me want to post, but I don't know, sometimes it's just so hard even staying motivated right now. But I think we just need to be positive at this point and hope that things will get better. Especially with the holiday season, I feel like it's just so weird. So all I'm doing is taking the Sephora Airbrush Concealer Brush and just blending everything out. And I'm not moving the product around, I'm just pushing it into the spot that I placed it. So now we're all color corrected, and I'm gonna go into the foundation I'm gonna be using today. So this is a well-loved bottle. I was gonna pull out a new bottle for you guys and make it all pretty and cute, but I decided to just keep it real. So this is the Becca 24-Hour Foundation in Olive. This is a little bit more yellow than my skin tone, but I really do like it. This is a matte finish, so if you have dry skin, make sure you're thoroughly hydrated underneath. And if you have combo skin like me, this works perfectly fine. My pump's actually broken on it, so I'm just gonna scoop it out. But you don't need a lot of it. A good tip is I will always put less foundation on, and if I need more, I'll go back to the areas and put a little bit more on. I'm using the Morphe, this doesn't have a name, but it's just like a flat top. As you can see, I'm not really going underneath my eyes because I don't want to pack on too much product, because I'll be concealing that area anyways. Make sure you always blend down to your neck. I'm doing a stippling motion, and I'm not spreading the product like this, rather just pushing it into my skin. So if you do have texture on your skin, by pushing the product in, you're not creating more texture or filling in or like lifting up the hairs. By patting it on, you're making sure the product sits on top of your skin and it blends out perfect. The contour, I'm using Born This Way in Mocha. Add a little bit to my forehead. That's a little bit too much, but it's okay. And the trick with contour is you have to blend upwards. When you blend upwards, you're chiseling out your face a little bit more. While that's on my face, I'm just gonna go and put my concealer on as well. This is Tarte Shape Tape in medium. Keep in mind, this is a holiday look. It is meant to be full coverage, so that's why there's so much product. Not so much product, but enough product. And then I'm just going in with light medium honey for some highlight. Just the tiniest bit. So I'm gonna let my concealer sit there for a little bit, and then I'm gonna start blending out my contour. To blend out my contour, I'm gonna use this Real Techniques contour brush. So the contour on my forehead, I'm gonna blend into my hairline and then downwards in a stippling motion, again, just like with your foundation. I like to push my hair back so I don't get it all in my hair. So you don't want your forehead to look like a different color. And for my concealer, I'm going to go in with my Beauty Blender. This is the Real Techniques sponge. I got it on Amazon. So good. So again, I'm just pushing the product in. I'm not really moving it from where it is. Just to blend everything in together, I'm just going to go over my whole face with my Beauty Blender. Just making sure I go over to get off any excess product. Before I start with my powders. So I'm going to go in with Charlotte Tilbury No. 2. I don't know why I said that like that. So before you put on your powder, make sure you have no creasing. So if you set your powder while you have creasing underneath your eyes, those creases will stay. And I let you just dust it on while I'm kind of looking up. See what a difference that makes. So I'm going to go into all the areas and put this on. Okay. Now I'm going to go in to my contour, if I can find it. I'm going to my contour. This is Fenty Beauty Island Ting. It's really nice. My nose is itchy. Whose nose gets itchy while they do makeup? Mine gets so itchy. The brush I will be using is the Morphe 554. Just a little bit of product. I'm just going to go in over the spots that I used the cream contour on. Bake. I'll be using banana bread from Huda Beauty. So I take some product and tap it out. So I'm going to go back and finish my eyes. So I feel like I need a little bit more brightness on the lid. I'm just going to add the Silk Robe color on my lid. And add a little bit of highlighter to my nose and my inner corner. I'm not adding any highlighter on my cheeks, I don't think. So I'm taking the Dior Universal Palette in number 1. I'm just going to take some of the gold, add it to my inner corner. This is one of my favorites. It's super bright. This palette is an overall like really good palette. Like that. I'm going to add a little bit to my nose. And then I like just take my finger and kind of blend it out. I'm going to take off the contour now. Sorry, I'm going to take off the powder. I'm going to leave it on the outer corner for a little bit. For the blush palette, I'll be using the KKW matte blush just because I do want to keep the look nice and matte. These are perfect. I'm just going to mix all the shades together. So now that I've added my blush, I am going to add some setting spray. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. It's really nice. I'm going to add this, and while you're doing your setting spray, make sure you don't talk or smile. The Benefit Bad Gal Bang. Always do your mascara after you're done your setting spray. I'm just taking this, it's like a gel pencil from Sephora. It's white. Putting that in my waterline. Honestly, I usually use more of like a nude, but I've been really liking how this has been looking like a white in my waterline instead. I feel like it looks more doll-like. And now I'm going to add the lashes. So for the lips, I think I will be doing a nude or a red. I think I'll do nude here, and then maybe on Instagram I'll post some pictures with a red, and you guys can decide what you guys like better. So if you guys do want to see more videos, please make sure you guys subscribe, and you guys do leave me comments of what you guys want to see next so I get some ideas. And I'll link my Instagram down below too if you're new. So I'm just taking the lash. I'm going to be using Duo Glue. I used to love the House of Lashes glue, but it made my eyes super red and watery, so I stopped using that. I've been just using the regular Duo now. So I'll let the glue get tacky. So I am back. I have my lashes on. This is what they look like. These are the Goddess from Boss Babe. They're really good. I'm going to link them down below. This is like my 10th time using them, and they look really good. So I'll be using Midnight Cowboy from Urban Decay. I'm just going to take this and put this eyeliner on top of the black eyeliner I just did, but as like a line on top. So it covers a little bit of the black liner, but not completely. I put the glitter liner on after because I didn't want it to get on the band of the lashes. But you could do it either way. This is what it looks like. I did do the black underneath because I just didn't want to have only glitter liner, but you don't have to do the black underneath if you don't want to. It's a quick holiday look. And now we're just going to go in and do our lips. I'm going to do a nude lip combo for you on camera, but on my Instagram I will have a red one linked there. So you guys want to do see how the red one looks. So to align my lips, I'm going to be taking number 2 in KKW. Hudson from Anastasia. Start in the middle. You can use a finger to blend it out. So you can leave it right here, or you can go and do more. So I'm just gonna kind of contour my lips. Like that. For me, my lips never just stop at one color. There's always so much more. So now I'm gonna take Blankety from MAC. I'm gonna add that in the middle. And lastly, I'm just gonna add some gloss. This is Rose Gold from KKW. So I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go do my hair. So I am back. My hair is all done, and I hope you guys enjoyed creating this look with me. If you guys do try it out, please remember to tag me in your post. I would love to see your creation. I hope everybody has an amazing holiday. I know it's different this year, but we all have to be positive. Thank you for watching. If you guys want to see this look with another lip color, go check out my Instagram. I'll be posting it on there. And if you guys want to see how I got this hair, this will be on my Instagram as well. It's all linked down below.